Hey you guys, welcome back to K&K's Inspired Creations with Latara. So today I'm going to show you guys how to make this really cute Valentine's Day fake cake that can be used as a riser. So I basically started off by grabbing some of these boxes that you can get from Dollar Tree. I think they're like gift boxes or something like that. And I normally glue the lid of the box upside down to make the cake look taller. And so of course I took some lightweight spackle. The Fast and Final, that one has the best like icing consistency. And so I'm just going to be basically trying to ice this box cake or whatever you want to call it. This is my very first time doing a cake like this. I've done plenty of fake cakes before, but like using the spackle to ice it like an actual cake, this is my very first time doing it. So it's going to take me a minute to kind of get the swing of it, and it's still not going to come out how I wanted it to. But it's the first of many, so one day you'll be able to look back and be like, oh, she started like this and now she look like this. I know that's right. But right now, this is the very first one, so it's going to be kind of ugly. But anyways, I got this little cake thingy from Dollar Tree, and you can get most of your supplies from Dollar Tree. So it doesn't take a lot of money to start fake baking. So I'm just using it to try to even out the top, which I think I did a pretty good job with for my first time. And now I'm doing the sides. Now, after I did this, I think I watched a video where it said that you should do the sides first and then do the top. I don't know if that's accurate or not, but I don't know. I'll probably try that next time. And so then I tried to use one of those little scraper thingies that I seen, people on TV use who were baking cakes. It didn't work out in my favor. Guess I'll try that another time too. So I just went around with the little spoon or whatever just to kind of try to smooth it out as much as I could. And yeah, I wasn't too focused on it being a perfect cake. But while I'm doing that, I do want to take a minute and thank you so much for watching my videos. You can be watching anybody else's videos on the planet, but you're watching mine, and I'm so appreciative of it. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. I do lots of fake bakes and DIYs. So subscribe, like, comment if you can, and definitely share. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and decorate the cake since I got that base layer on. And this one is going to be pink. So that pink is actually bright magenta from Apple Barrel. It's my favorite pink color. And if possible, the only one that I'll use. So I'm putting some more, like I already have some in my piping bag because I use that pink all the time. But I'm just adding some more in it so that while I'm decorating the cake, I don't, run out of spackle or icing or whatever you want to call it. And so I started off by kind of doing like the bottom of the cake. You can see a little bit of the bottom of the box or whatever. So I wanted to go ahead and cover that up. So I'm covering that up with a little pink border. Piping is actually really easy. It's a lot easier than trying to make like a smooth cake, to be completely honest. You just need different types of tips or whatever. But as long as you have the right tip, piping is actually really, really easy and satisfying. And I want to say on the bottom, I think I did a double layer. Yeah, I did a double layer of this because I don't wanted it to, it's a decent sized cake and that one layer just didn't look right. So I did a second layer. And this cake is just pink and white. I didn't want to do too much to it. So it's just pink and white. Now I'm doing the same thing with the top. I'm doing the exact same piping to the top as I did on the bottom. Just pretty much keeping it simple. And the cool thing about spackle is that you can make mistakes with it, but you can always like take it off and try again, and it usually comes out really nice. So next I was trying something a little different. First time doing something like this, and it came out okay. You can tell it's a little off and a little uneven, but it's not ugly. And then I wanted to do the same thing but on the sides. This was also my first time doing this, so it came out okay. I could have done better. Well, I will do better next time, but I think my first time doing it came out pretty good. And I'm going to end up doing the exact same thing, but kind of making it double. I don't really know how to explain it, but you'll see. And while I'm sitting here doing this voiceover and watching myself recreate this cake, I was just thinking that like a girls' night fake baking or like a fake cake decorating night would be so fun. I think I might do that. So I also have these little mini iridescent beads that I got from Dollar Tree, and I'm just adding that as a little bit of decoration to the cake at the top. And then I'm also going to do it, I want to say on the sides as well. So another item that I used to decorate the cake was these like pearls that I got from Dollar Tree. These are kind of like some jumbo size pearls. They're really, really pretty. And I was just trying to keep this cake very simple, very classic. It's a cake, but it's also like a riser. So you can like put like a candle on it or like a flower, a plant or something like that. But it came out really nice. And I want to say one of the last things that I did is I added these fake mini strawberries that I made out of air dry clay to the very top of it. And of course they're pink, you know, to go with the rest of the cake. And then I'm going to finish it off with some glitter. I always use really, really fine glitter. It's my favorite type of glitter. And as I say, glitter makes everything better. But that's pretty much it. A very simple cake to make. This right here is the final reveal. I ended up sealing it with resin, but you definitely don't have to do that part. I just did that. Thank you for watching. Let me know what you think in the comments, and I'll see you next time.